For Your Money is brought to you by NelsonCorp Wealth Management.
It's now time for Your Money. We're joined by David Nelson, CEO of NelsonCorp Wealth Management. Nice to see you again, David.
Thank you, Brandy. You too.
So with the volatility we have seen in the stock market recently, what are you watching?
Many things, but whenever you see volatility like this, what you're basically looking for is a catalyst that could potentially reverse the current path and or basically save it. And so the chart that I brought today kind of illustrates this, I think one of the really important items, and that is positive earnings surprises. And it's looking at the beat rate, and that's kind of the key. In other words, are we exceeding as far as expectations, as far as the S&P? This is the S&P, and it's looking at the last several years. But the most important part of it is if we look at the far right, what we see there is the last 2 quarters have actually had really nice beats. That's a real positive, again, pertaining to stocks and trying to look forward as far as can this momentum continue as far as in the stock market.
So how can viewers use that information?
Well, I think generally speaking, the rate of the positive earnings has been it's been a positive, but understanding that the earnings beats, as it's risen, sales beats have actually been dropping. So again, it's the cautious nature as far as of us and in the line of work that we're in, as far as looking at this and saying it's probably not a time to go out there and get really aggressive. The evidence, the substantial evidence that's out there still says it's probably a pretty good idea to play pretty cautious at this point in time.
All right, David, thanks for your insight today.
Thank you.
If you missed any of our discussion, we'll make it available for you on ourquadcities.com.